Well, Jennifer, this is a fun box. This is your little spa box. Tell me a little bit more about that one.
This is something that I created just to kind of create sort of what I would consider sort of a really fun, perfect gift. I mean, it's something that it's a mini size of the goat milk soap and the whipped coconut shea butter. And then I have a well-crafted tea. This is organic red raspberry leaf tea with chamomile, designed just for helping people to relax and unwind. A bath bomb, and then a little mini version of the sore muscle soak. So I wanted to create like a perfect gift that someone could give or send somebody to help them relax and unwind. And I've had a lot of people that are giving these as gifts, and they say that people just love to receive them.
Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful gift, and it's all obviously all non-toxic. It is all just to kind of support health.
It is.
You know, and you said clean ingredients, very few ingredients, so you don't have all these binders and things.
Very few ingredients, exactly. So there is no actually binders or anything. And I've got two different kinds. I've got one that is a ylang ylang lavender, and then one that's made with Douglas fir and cedar. So it's more for, you could choose for men or women, but I've had many women love that kind of more fir scent, and then many, well, actually, I have had men actually that love the ylang ylang lavender. So they're really good for anybody. But it's, you know, a lot of times people don't know what kind of gift to give someone, but it's pretty tough to go wrong when you send a spa box.
I agree. And you can find these things at the Carlfield Center. So we have them there physically, but also you can just go and order it online at thecarlfieldcenter.com. And there we have a little shopping cart where you can order, you know, Jennifer's, you know, it's a big, beautiful line, and you have a lot of options, and these spa boxes are really fun, and I think they're an excellent idea, especially for us guys. We have a hard time figuring out what ladies want. So yeah, this is a perfect idea.
Thank you.